Hey crafty friends, I'm Peggy and welcome to my studio. Today I have a pre-unboxed unboxing. The reason everything is already out is I had a medical procedure done on my wrist yesterday, and my right wrist and my hand, they're so sore. So I'm just kind of trying to minimize the usage of them today. But anyway, back to what you're actually here for. Last week, HSN had their craft day, and Diamond Press had the Today Special, which is their new manual die cutting machine called the Marquee. And this is her in all her beautiful raspberryness. I do believe they had it in 6 colors, but I looked today and they do still have 3 different colors available. I don't remember what they are, but you can go over to HSN and take a look. One of the best features about this is the top is rubberized. So when you're holding onto it to turn the crank, your hand's not going to slip because you actually have something to grab onto. And I'm sorry if the camera just shook a little bit. They've also rubberized the base. So if you have a surface that things can attach to easily, it will end up suctioning down and even stabilizing the machine more. And if it does get stuck down, there is a little tab on this side that you pull to release the suction. And another ingenious move is their handle. It is actually like flat and it's rubberized as well. So for someone like me who has a problem with their hands, it's very, very simple to hold onto so you can turn it, which is just great. Of course, it came from HSN, so it came with a bundle. And I don't know what is actually part of the bundle and what normally comes with it. I tried to find out, but I couldn't. I do apologize for that. But one thing it came with was this little voucher. And all I need to do is email them and they will send me a free cutting folder, which I thought that was really, really nice. Then we have, let me get a piece of paper because it's kind of hard to see against the black here. Okay. It came with 2 embossing folders. And one is this one with this beautiful border all the way around. And the second one has flowers in each corner. And again, it is just so pretty. Then it came with, this is 2 of their folders that you use to cut your dies with. And they're nice because instead of being the plexiglass, they're plastic and they're flexible. And that's all you need. You don't need any kind of base plate, just the folder. There's 2 of those. And then we have 2 pages of stamps, which they are in this really nice thick plastic folder. It's already got holes punched in it because I did notice on their site, they sell binders to hold their stamps and their dies. And inside are 2 sheets of dies. I mean stamps. Jeez Louise. Sorry, it's the pain medicine, I believe. Anyway. One page has, and a little bit difficult to see, but it says like, you're the best, beautiful, I love you, how are you, friend, so very much, little one, sunshine, and for all your help, and for everything, and some flowers and greenery. And what's really nice about Diamond Press is they colorize like the sheet that the stamps are on, so it's a lot easier to see what you're looking at. The second sheet says, birthday girl, you're awesome, birthday boy, and has some flowers and banners, and little squigglies and whatnot. And it's a really good variety, actually, of sentiments. Okay, let me put those back in their little folder here. And then, like I said, they're also, everything is meant to go into their little binders, which is nice because their dies are actually on a magnetic sheet. I don't know if it's magnetic. No, magnetic on one side. But that's really cool. And again, ready to go right into one of their binders. But I don't use... Sorry about that. My dog started whimpering. It also comes with, I think it's like 26 dies. But there's like thanks, hello, and this really pretty little border one, and greenery and flowers and everything on mine. So that's what it comes with from HSN. Again, like I said, I don't know what is in the actual bundle of just the machine. So, but I figured I cut some paper down. Their folders are 4x6. So I cut down some paper that into 4x6 size. And let's pick let's pick, here are leaves, and we will do, how about the rose, if I can get it off. I hate the way they glue down dies. They're always so hard to get off of the tape that they use. But this also has a layering piece. I'll cut both of them. Let's see. So to use one of these, you open up the folder, you slide your paper in, and then face down you put your dies. And I actually looked on their website, curious about replacements for the folders, and they sell a pack of 10 for like $16. So that's a lot cheaper than traditional plates for like the larger machines or the electronic machines. Anyway, when you go to use a hand machine, if you push in your folder, it will move the handle so you can see which way you need to crank. So we're just going to start letting this go through. And of course it's nice and quiet because it's hand done. Crank it right on through. Okay. And the glue made that one stick. Let's see what we have. Okay. It did a really, really nice job. I need something pokey. I'll use this. Okay. Find the release points here. There we go. Pop that right out. And it also embosses. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can get that up there. If you can see it, but it also embosses at the same time it cuts, which is really, really nice to be able to skip that step. Let's see. I don't know which are release points here and which are just getting rid of the stuff. The little inside pieces. So, usually I like to use, I have one of the brushes that goes through and does that, but I don't know where it's at this moment. But look at that. That is just beautiful. It cut everything perfect. Perfect. So I really, really like it. Easy to use. And like I said, it cuts well and embosses at the same time. Let's try one of the embossing folders. Let's do the one with the flowers. Okay. So again, if my fingers will work, you want to take your paper. Again, place it in your embossing folder. Okay. Let me move these aside so you can see a little bit better here. And again, you push it through, you see which way it cranks. And I am sorry, I am shaking my camera. I apologize. I would try to go a little gentler. Okay. Beautiful. It is a really nice deep embossing with the folder. That's gorgeous. So I am very, very happy with this. Again, they still have them on HSN. And I think it is definitely a worthwhile purchase. So I encourage you to give it a try. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And also be sure to click that little bell icon so you get all of my notifications when my videos go up. Hopefully. Sometimes YouTube does, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, that's all I've got. I love my little diamond press marquee, and I hope you'll love one too if you get it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.